पणजी महानगरपालिकेन पणजी शहरात पावसाळ्या पयलींच्या कामांक सुरवात केल्या। पावसाक लागून शारात हुवाराची स्थिती निर्माण जावची न्हय हाचे खातीर शारांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या सुवातेवेली गटारां आनी नाले नितळ करपाचें काम नेटान सुरू आशिल्ल्याचें दिसून येता। तशेंच झाडांच्यो वाडिल्ल्यो फांन्योय कातरल्यात। पळयात।
We've covered most of our spaces. It's only the cross drains that we need to take care of. So we're just here to check and see that the work is being carried out.
And what the major problems that you have seen?
One problem was only here, this junction. I think the road was done, the drain was built halfway through when Smart City done the work and the other half was not done. So this is one small potential point, but otherwise everything should be okay. We're not expecting it.
But the garbage which was thrown in the bottles
so that
and
is so I'd like to actually, that is a good point. So we'd like to appeal to people also now, because whenever we open up our drains, we have a lot of old utilities. Panjim is a very old city now, as everyone knows. There's a lot of utilities that are going through our drains that have not been applied properly. Even plastic and trash and bottles and everything, whatever falls in the drain, clogs those points. So now every time we open our drains, we find like thousands of bottles in our drains. We're just appealing people to not to litter. If they have any issues in terms of dustbins not being provided, we will correct all of those issues. Or they have issues with collection of waste, people please approach us and we'll sort out those issues. So that is just an appeal that I would like to make to the citizens. We put dustbins in so many places. Now, say for example on DB Road and on the promenade, we've put dustbins, so people end up breaking our dustbins also now. So we have stuck as to what is to be done. So we've asked them anyway now, this Smart City 2.0, where they have waste management is a central plan. They are taking up all of these issues and we're going to have, I think the government has allocated some 60-70 crores. So all of this will be looked at that point. In the meantime, we will make small changes to it.
because the dustbins are there, do you think that people are throwing it up?
Could be also. So that's what I'm saying. No, I'm not only blaming the people. If we are at fault, then we also will correct our mistakes. I'm not only blaming the people. So that's what I'm saying. If people find that there are certain facilities that are lacking in certain places, please get in touch with us. So we will make all those changes to our team. I mean, CM has always been helpful to us. We've not really had any issues with any departments. Whether it's PWD or the fire department or anybody, all of us work together when it comes to Panjim. So Panjim doesn't really have so many issues when it comes to all of that. All the departments work very well together. So yeah, everybody has an understanding of what the problems in Panjim are. So even before the monsoon begins, our prep work starts in Jan. So that's when we begin desilting, that's when all of this happens. We coordinate with Forest Department to identify dangerous trees. We start all of that. If there are any issues we foresee, either we get in touch with the fire department, the fire department needs help, then we help them. So all the departments work very well together in Panjim. So we don't really have an issue in terms of coordination or any of those things.
And tree trimming chances?
Tree trimming is in progress. We also start very early. So we've been speaking to the forest department to basically give us a list. So as of now, we are going off of that list. And whenever people have requests, also we've been taking care of those people.
Any dangerous trees has been identified?
So we have a huge list, maybe 100, 150 trees. So we are currently working on all of them. I'll give you that update when we get